Hello all, good evening. This is Asha Vishwanath here. Can you hear me and see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank Gurudeva for this wonderful, whatever he is doing. And the opportunity given to me was really divine and I thoroughly enjoyed. But judging is a very tough job. All you children are so very, great. First of all, let me also thank my co-judge, Mrs. Aruna Ramkumar, who we both discussed a lot as to whom to choose as one or two or three or whatever number. You are all beyond any numbers. And happy Children's Day, happy Deepavali to everyone. Children are all Atma Swarupi or Jyoti Swarupi. We call them as Jyoti, light, peace, joy. As Mrs. Hetal was, giving that rapid fire rounds, I was really enjoying all the 10 words and so many words used to, bang me, put this, write this. When it came to children and I was like, what the word I can put in the first place? It's really a joy to watch you all doing that beach boxing. Why did you stop that? Anyways, let me come to the point. All the kids who spoke for 1 minute, it was really wonderful. But given the 1 minute time limit, we myself along with Aruna ma'am, we have chosen five best out of the rest. So first would be like who spoke about rewinding time. She was so clear. Jeshta Sudhir was the first.
Well, that's
Congratulations, Jeshta.
thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah. I like the concept of you speaking about you. Had you had an opportunity of being here in India in your primitive or growing ages? Why did you think so?
I think that Indian education and how we grow up in India is very different from abroad. And I thought I was very sheltered. And once I got to India, everyone was so out there and out of their shell. And I was shy in the corner, sitting with my books, not talking to anybody, and thought maybe if things were different, I would have perhaps been outgoing and bold and confident like everyone else was. And it's something that I think about a lot.
True, very true. India is such a vibrant country, and people growing up here, you just go out to any country after having spent your primitive years here, and go out to any country, you can tackle any situation tactfully, peacefully, joyfully, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am, so true.
that's the concept we both agreed upon and chose you as the winner of this 1 minute competition.
Thank
Jeshta
you, ma'am.
Sudhir, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And the second
India,
winner
just
of this, yeah,
no,
yes,
welcome to
Aruna ma'am.
India. Welcome to India, and you hope you have a great time ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, it's been a couple of years. I'm completely a resident now.
Oh, great, great, great.
Awesome. So the second winner is Suhani Bhartia, who spoke about sustainable development. Suhani, can we hear? Yeah, you are there. Why
Yes.
did you, I mean, why did you talk whatever you talk? Explain now. Do you remember at all? What did you speak?
Actually, I feel that this
I think there is
sustainable
some
development is very underrated.
there is some problem in the audio.
Hello.
Suhani. Anyways, congratulations, Suhani. You
I,
really
th- I think
spoke
she
very
was
well.
talking about the Great Depression, was she?
Yes,
Great recession, economic
recession.
recession. She
Yes,
was talking about. Any development has to be sustainable. She was telling
yes.
that, right? And rightly so.
I feel that this topic, I'm
Yes,
extremely
go
sorry,
ahead.
ma'am. Actually, there's a net connection problem.
It's okay. Go ahead now. You you have to unmute yourself. Yes, speak.
I feel that this topic, sustainable development, is very underrated. Like we humans tend to exploit resources very much, and that is out of the topic. We need to understand that we need to save for other upcoming generations as well.
Right. Very true.
And
Very true. And this is a humongous topic where people need to jump in and do some research and, get on.
And you try
Right?
to put it in 1 minute. That's commendable. Commendable.
Yes. 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 Your thoughts has been, gone across. It's very good. Congratulations once again. And the third one, would you do the honor, ma'am? Aruna, ma'am?
Yeah, third prize is Chirag Damani.
Third is Srishti Upendra.
Wait,
Spoke about role of media. It's okay. I have the list. Actually, in fact, you know what, ma'am? We had a debate on.
Srishti Upendra, who spoke about the media roles.
Yeah. Remember, Aruna, man, we had a discussion about whom to keep it as third and fourth between Chirag and.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I have no power here, and it came just now, and my bugs.
No problem. Congratulations,
Upendra.
Upendra. You spoke about role of media.
Roles of media.
Yeah, can we see you?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Ma'am, you should be able to see me now.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. In 1 minute, how could you wrap up the entire media concept? Media is such a big, large, humongous topic.
Yes,
and I'm into media, remember that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it was a very vast concept, and honestly, I wasn't sure what to speak about because all we see in the news today is about coronavirus and nothing else, and it's very hard to actually be optimistic about the future from here. But I've been reading a lot of articles about celebrities and how they're coping with the same pandemic recently, and I sort of settled.
Would you anytime, given a chance, be in media anytime?
Yes, I have an interest in journalism, but it's a very hard thing to do, so I'm not sure.
It is hard, but a very smart way also to get into media and give right information to the people. That's a very sacred job you can do. Yeah. All the best. Congratulations, Srishti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And as we were discussing Chirag also, Chirag has scored the fourth place.
Are you
Fear
there,
of overcome.
I'm there, ma'am. I just moved to my monitor, so there is no webcam right now.
Okay, no issues. Fear to overcome. You were speaking about on this topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Have you overcome your fear about, public speaking?
Ma'am, not as much, ma'am. I'm like still a little shaky and a little nervous. My palms get sweaty whenever I go on stage, but compared to last time, it has considerably gone down.
Okay. What are the measures you want to take to overcome this?
Mom, just little more public speaking and little more participating in competition should get me over this fear, mom. It's like not a very, very big fear, but why have even the smallest of fears, I can overcome everything.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you.
And congratulations. Yeah. And the fifth place we both have given is to Krishna Srivatsa. Right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Krishna was also speaking about virtual and real friendship.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Krishna.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, this is so wonderful to, youngsters like you talking about real friendship.
So when I first received the topic, I was slightly confused because it didn't say virtual friends and real life friends. It said virtual friendship and real friendship, as if virtual friends couldn't be real friends. But then I decided if I kept on talking about that, I drone on for like an hour. And
it's good to see an youngster. Good to see an youngster talking about real friendship.
Right.
When most of her likes are into the virtual friendship.
Virtual friendship, yes.
So
what I would suggest, Krishna, would be like take your real friends onto virtual platform only during pandemic.
Yeah.
Otherwise, be real in real life.
Of course, ma'am. That's great advice. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And this was really a great opportunity to be along with all of you. Aruna ma'am, thank you so much once again. And the host, please take over. Aruna ma'am would, I think, should share.
Yeah, I conclude saying thanks to Principal SSRVM Bangalore North for calling me and, making my Saturday evening most memorable, really.
Right.
The Just a Minute and beatboxing, actually, it couldn't be better than anything. This Diwali evening is much, will be cherished. Also, I'm super honored to share a seat with you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so
much. And I wish everyone a great rest of the evening, as well as a happy and safe Green Diwali, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to all the judges of Just a Minute. It was really wonderful to hear from you.